Unraveling the Mystery. Asking questions in second conditional sentences. Hello learners. Today, we're going to tackle a fascinating topic in English grammar. How to form if clause questions in the second conditional sentences. This may seem tricky at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step and make it as simple as possible. Let's get started. Before we dive into forming questions, let's remind ourselves of what a second conditional sentence is. Second conditional sentences express hypothetical or unlikely situations. They're composed of two clauses: the if clause, the condition, and the main clause, the result. The structure is generally if plus past simple, would plus infinitive, base form. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. Now, how do we turn the if clause into a question? The structure is if plus subject plus past simple, would plus subject plus infinitive. Let's use our previous example. Instead of saying, if I won the lottery, we could ask, if you won the lottery, would you travel around the world? Notice that the question starts with if, and the main clause becomes an interrogative clause. Forming if clause questions isn't just limited to the subject, you. We can also use he, she, it, we, or they. Here are some examples. 1. If he found a wallet on the street, would he return it to the police? 2. If we had a car, would we drive to work every day? 3. If they knew the truth, would they still support him? Remember, the subject in the if clause should match the subject in the question part. We can also form questions in the negative form. The structure is if plus subject plus did not, didn't plus base verb, would plus subject plus infinitive. For example, if you didn't have to work, would you still get up early? Well, that wraps up our discussion on forming if clause questions in second conditional sentences. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new concept. So, don't be shy to make your own examples and practice them in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on English grammar. Happy learning!